Hazrat Ibn Abi Mulaika radiyallahu anhu says, two best of the people verged on destruction as Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu raised their voices in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the riders of Banu Tamim visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, one of them, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, beckoned towards Aqra bin Habis, the brother of Bani Mujashi, whereas the other, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, pointed towards another person. Nafi'u states, I have forgotten the name of that man. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, you just want to contradict me. Thereupon Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I do not want to oppose you. So during this argument their voices got louder, whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse, O believers, raise not your voices above the voice of the communicator of unseen, the Prophet. Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu narrates, after this verse, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would talk in such a low voice as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam could not hear it, and he inquired him again, but he did not mention it regarding his maternal grandfather Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4845.